Fix we couldn't move error 0x80073d0b on Windows. 1. Disable encrypting file system service. 2. Set 0 to NTFS disable encryption at computer \h key _ local _ machine \system \current control set \control \file system in registry editor. Reboot your system. 3. Turn off file compression and encryption for Windows apps at /program files folder. 4. Reset Microsoft Store by ozreset.exe.